Are you looking to listen to just reverb and like sometimes drums? Well, let me introduce you to shoegaze. Shoegaze, originally called shoegazing and sometimes conflated with dream pop, is a subgenre of indie alternative characterized by I can't read. Shoegaze, originally called shoegazing and sometimes conflated with dream pop, is a subgenre of indie and alternative rock characterized by ethereal mixtures of obscured vocals, guitar distortion, and effects. Chicken sandwich.
Is that dick? Oh, how good is that dick?
You need a DAW. Anyone will do, unless you use like Ableton, because who the fuck uses Ableton? Now with your trusty guitar, if you have one, if you don't have one, you're screwed. You can get some real crunchy ass chords like this. It's not really even a chord, it's just a good open tuning. You can always just put a capo on it and make it sound better. If you want a vocal tutorial on how to do that stuff, I don't know, leave a like.